Welcome to Jay's Techie Crown. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Come, let's get into the video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 190 and 491 visas nomination count across different states till December 2020. Then on the nomination trend in the year 2021. Thirdly, on the updated occupation list of NSW. And finally, we are going to see few timelines of the people who have received grant in the month of October and November 2020. Come, let's get into the video. As you all know, NSW updates the occupation list, and here is the updated occupation list of 190 visa. You can see all the answer codes and the list of occupations updated in their website as well. And they have recently published the occupation list and the availability of the skill codes in every region of NSW. Here is the updated occupation list and the list of available and eligible occupations in every region. The list of regions that are participating in these 491 NSW visas are Central Coast to Southern Inland and Sydney. You can see all the list of regions that are participating in these visas. This sheet pretty much explains the details of which region you can apply for. For example, if you plan to apply for software engineer, then you are eligible to apply on the regions which are highlighted with blue and black marks, and you are not eligible to apply for the regions which are left as blank. Here is an example to check your eligibility for both 190 and 491 visa. If you are a software engineer, then you are eligible to apply for all the states other than the states that are marked with red cross marks. The green tick mark shows that the occupation is in the skilled occupation list and you may need to meet the state requirements. And the blue tick mark shows that the occupation may be eligible and you need to meet the specific state or territory requirements, which may be the job offers or the special conditions. Here is an example for university lecturer to check his availability on states. Also, here is the list of occupations and their ceiling values till 2021 and the number of invitations issued till October 2020. And now let us move on to the second segment of the video, which is the nomination count and the trend of nominations for 190 and 491 visa in December 2020 and the expected trend in 2021. Here you can see the number of intending migrants who received nominations from state and territories in the month of September 2020, which shows for 190 NSW and Victoria shows greater than 100, and in case of Tasmania it is more than 100 in case of 491 visa. Now let us take a look into the number of intending migrants who received nominations from state from the year July 2020 till June 2021. So this is the recent count updated in their portal, which shows the count as of December 2020. Let us do a small comparative analysis with the data as of September 2020 nominations count and with the data as of December 2020. This small comparative analysis will help us to understand the count of new nominations sent in the recent months. If you look at this data, you can see that for ACT, NSW and NT, there are new nominations sent out in the last 3 months, which is 32 for ACT and 1 for NSW and 41 for Northern Territory and 32 in case of Tasmania. Similarly, the small analysis between the September 2020 and the entire year nomination count difference shows the new nominations sent out in the recent months, which is for ACT 8 and for Northern Territory it was 4 and for Tasmania it is 16. Come, let us move on to the third and final segment of this video, which is the recent timelines. Note, these timelines are collected from various sources and from various persons who have received the grant. Here comes the first timeline. Here you can see this timeline is for 190 visa who has applied from onshore for the state Victoria with 85 points, and you can see the timeline of UI that is applied on 3rd September 2020 with invite on 8th September and visa applied on 22nd September and received the grant on the 28th of October. And here is the second timeline, which is applied for a 491 visa from onshore for the state NSW, and you can see the total points on the invite and visa candidate date as 2nd November. And here is the third timeline, which is also for NSW 190 visa and the skill is for internal auditor with points 85, and the EOI is applied on Feb 2019 and they received the invite on April 2019. The overall process took almost more than 18 months, and you can see that he has received the grant in the month of November 2020. And here is the fourth timeline for a mechanical engineer who has applied for 190 visa with Western Australia. He has applied with 65 points and the EOI is applied on 24th April of 2019 and he has received the grant recently in the month of November 2020. The overall process took almost 18 months. And here is the timeline 5, which is for Queensland for 491 visa with points 90 and EOI applied on 18th March and received grant in the month of November. And this is a timeline 6, which is for NSW for 190 visa and for a developer programmer category with points 85 and applied on April 2019 and received the invite on December 2019 and received grant in the month of November 2020. Hope this video helps you to understand the timeline and the visa processing times and the points required for getting the invites. All the best for a PR processing. In case of any question, please post your questions on comments and please subscribe if you are watching my channel for the first time. Thanks again and thanks for watching.